Hello friends, welcome to Windows. In today's video you will learn how to restore classic settings in File Explorer folder options on Windows 11. If you open folder options dialog in Windows 11, under advanced settings, you will find various settings for File Explorer. Depending on your requirements, you can check or uncheck boxes next to the setting to enable or disable the functionality in File Explorer. Starting with Windows 11 build 23481, the company has decided to remove some of the settings from folder options, which includes hide folder merge conflicts, always show icons, never thumbnails, display file icon on thumbnails, display file size information in folder tips, hide protected OS files, show drive letters, show pop-up description for folder and desktop items, show encrypted or compressed NTFS files in color, use sharing widget. You can check this clearly in this screenshot. According to Microsoft, these settings were available in folder option dialog for a long time and very less users were using these settings in Windows 11. So they are deprecating these settings. Although Microsoft has removed these settings from the folder option dialog, these settings still exist in Windows 11 and users can enable it manually using wipe tool. Let's learn how to do that. First of all, you need to set a wipe tool on your Windows 11 PC. I have already created a video on how to do that, so check the link in the description. After that, you need to launch command prompt with admin rights. For that, click on the search icon and type cmd. When command prompt appear in the search results, click to open it. When USC dialog box appear, click yes to continue. Here you need to execute this command. Once you get the message successfully set feature configuration, you need to reboot your computer to apply the changes. After starting your PC, if you open folder options dialog, you will notice that all the settings that Microsoft mentioned they have removed will be restored. So that's all about this video. What is your opinion about Microsoft removing these File Explorer settings from folder option in Windows 11? Do you make use of these settings? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you find this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe the channel for more similar videos. Thanks for watching.